The service warning indicator will come on about every 10,000 miles and remind you to do regular interval maintenance, which I'll link a video to. It looks just like this right there where it says service due. So to do that, go ahead and plug in your ODB2 connector and then go to for VW, all other vehicles, special functions, service reset, give it a second, OK, service reset, other brands, unless you do in fact own a Lamborghini, and then OK. The live data stream allows you to look at your car's live stats, which can be very helpful for diagnosis, especially if you're looking at your fuel trims so that you make sure that you don't have an air leak anyway. You just go to for VW, data stream, and then view all, and you can scroll right through the menu. Unfortunately, I didn't have any active codes, but if you need to read codes, just for VW, vehicle scan, read codes, and then you can subsequently clear the codes.